Welcome, Geometry students, to class today on this Wednesday the 19th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready for your test. Let's jump right into today's announcements. First of all, at this time, there are some of you who have not yet turned in your review sheets. Please turn those in now at this time. Stop, make sure your name is on those, and please turn those in. Incompletes for track 1. Vivian, you're doing great. I appreciate the work that you're doing. Here's what's left for you. Please feel free to take your time. Now, Jimmy and Abigail, this is kind of a different story for you guys. I've been super patient with you guys, so I really feel like these quizzes here for you two should be made up before the week's over. That's my opinion. Contact me about that. Haley, be working on getting 26 and 27 done. I've not given you a deadline on that yet, but be working on that. Then Haley, here's a couple assignments for you. Now this assignment here, Jimmy, Andrew, and Abigail, must be turned in today, or it will be a permanent 0. All right, and then of course Vivian and Haley, you did not start the test yesterday, which is fine. I'm just reminding you guys about that. All right, remember this: if you're in the room on the day of a test or a quiz, you will take it unless you contact me before the class period starts. Okay, today, guys, we will take the math part of the Chapter 9 test, okay? Before we do that, I want to talk to you guys about two things, all right? Now, first of all, I got an email yesterday about someone having an iPod between their legs during the fill-in-the-blank test yesterday. Now, I don't know if that's true or not, but, I mean, what's next, guys? Making you all stand up during your tests? Listen, I'm not trying to bust anyone or catch anyone. I just want the students who study to know that I respect them and I want to reward them by not allowing other students to do something that's wrong. Now, maybe this email that I received is just made up. Maybe it's not true. I don't know. But, I mean, that's the next thing we're going to do is cell phones on the desk, pass the test into Miss Carroll, and make everyone stand up during their tests. It's getting a little crazy, guys, okay? Number 2, guys, I went out of my way to help you guys on the last 2 tests by letting your test spread over 2 days. And then some of you, or at least one student yesterday, if not more, took the entire class period to fill in the blank for 20 questions. Now, that's extreme. And I've got a problem with that. And what's going to happen is I'm going to quit doing this and make the test on one day again. Because if this was a normal test day, and those students would have taken a whole class period to do the fill in the blanks, then when would they finish the math part? The answer is they wouldn't have taken the entire class period to fill in the blanks. Or here's what I'm going to do next time. Whatever we don't get to in class, as in terms of notes and homework, everyone will go home at night and do it. And it'll be about an hour of homework. Okay? So guys, please don't take advantage of a teacher when he's trying to do something nice for you, okay? Thank you. Alright, in case everyone finishes early, please work on the notes and homework that we were supposed to do yesterday. If you guys don't finish early, it is a math part. That's fine. I understand that. Don't rush to the math part. If today it takes you the whole class period, I understand that. But just in case everyone finishes, here's the information from yesterday. Here's the notes video, and here's the homework, and here's the help video. Alright, moving on. Let's go over today's test. Please pause the video, pass out the test, and then restart the video when everyone has a test on their desk. Okay, students, here we go. Numbers 21 through 27. There's one more thing you guys need to know that I should have told you for this problem. Arc AB is, hold on 1 second, please, 30 degrees. Okay? You need to know that to be able to answer all those questions. Okay? So write that on your test, please. Arc AB is 30 degrees. All right, 29 and 30. Write the equations of the circles. Numbers 31 through 37. Solve for X and Y. Actually, 31 through 39. And really, guys, there's not a lot I can say. On 32, when it says to solve for X, and there's an X right here, that's referring to the arc that runs from here all the way to here. So make note of that on your notes, if you would please, on your test. X is the measure of arc that starts here and goes all the way to here. All right. Let's see what else could be confusing here. Let's see. I think that's about it. If you know your math, you should be fine with these. So that's it. Please get to work on your test. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all. Oh, remember the rules, Miss Carol. Cell phones on the desk. All tests are turned into you. And please make sure all books, notes, everything are completely under the desks. Thank you.